Did you know that 9% of people actually keep their New Year's resolutions? 9%. That means 91% of people will start the year full of hope and end up frustrated, burnt out, or feeling like a failure, and then do it all again next year. But here's the thing. Most people never fail because they didn't want it bad enough. They fail because they didn't understand how change actually works. A new year doesn't magically reset your life or make you a different person. A new year doesn't come from a date on the calendar. It comes from a decision and from ownership. Every December, people write their resolutions.
I'm gonna be fit. I'm gonna eat better. I'm gonna save more money. I'm gonna finally take care of myself.
And they mean it. They genuinely mean it. But by mid-February, motivation fades, the gyms empty out, the trainer gets really full, and the new me starts to feel suspiciously like the old me. We've all been there. The truth is, most resolutions fail not because people are lazy or unmotivated. They fail because we confuse motivation for method. We get inspired, but we don't build the infrastructure to sustain it. So, in this video, I'm gonna give you a framework to go into the new year with. One you can actually build your year around, to set goals that stick, track them, and evolve with them. This is how you stop starting over. Let's talk about why resolutions fall apart. 1, people expect to feel different just because the date has changed. But your nervous system doesn't reset at midnight. You're the same person on January 1st that you were on December 31st. Change doesn't start with the clock. It starts with clarity. 2, they make vague goals with no structure. I'm gonna get healthy is not a plan. It's a vague wish. Your brain can't pursue what it can't measure. 3, they chase motivation instead of identity. Motivation is an emotion. Identity is a commitment. And the moment you say, I'm not a morning person, or I've never been disciplined, you've already told your brain who you are. And your brain's job is to keep you consistent with that story. If you want to change your habits, you have to change your narrative. Otherwise, you'll just keep proving the old one right. So here's what works. Step 1, anchor your goals to identity. Most people set outcome-based goals, lose 20 pounds, run a marathon, save $10,000. But lasting change comes from identity-based goals. Ask yourself, who do I want to become this year? Because identity is what drives consistency. You don't go to the gym because you have to. You go because you are someone who trains. You don't eat better because you're on a plan. You eat better because you respect your body. Once you define who you're becoming, the what and how fall into place. Every action is a vote for that identity. So instead of saying, I want to get fit, I want to become the kind of person who doesn't negotiate with my excuses. 2, use the consistency equation. Identity plus habits plus systems equals results. So let's break this down. Identity, who you believe you are. This is your internal compass. If it's misaligned, no amount of motivation will save you. Habits, what you do daily. This is your evidence. Every time you follow through, you reinforce your identity. Every time you skip, you weaken it. Systems, how you make it easier to show up. Environment beats willpower every single time. If you want to eat healthier, clear out your kitchen of junk food. If you want to work out, schedule your sessions like you would meetings, non-negotiable. If you want to read more, put your book on your pillow. Your systems should make success the default choice, not the difficult one. Step 3, build SMART goals that fit inside that framework. SMART goals, I think we've all heard of these. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These give structure to the identity you're building. But here's the trick. Build micro goals inside your macro goals. For example, macro goal, run a 5K. Micro goal, jog for 10 minutes every other day for 2 weeks. Identity, I'm a runner who builds endurance with patience. And here is how. Your goals should meet you where you are, but challenge who you've been. Step 4, understand your motivation, extrinsic or intrinsic. Extrinsic motivation, like external rewards, compliments, or looking good for summer, gets you started. But intrinsic motivation, doing it because it aligns with your values, keeps you going when no one's watching. So ask yourself, why does this goal matter to me? Who else does it impact if I succeed or fail? What will my life look like if I stay the same another year? When your why is bigger than your excuses, you stop needing motivation and start relying on momentum. Step 5, track and reflect. Data plus emotion equals growth. Most people measure only numbers, the weight on the scale, the money saved, the workouts logged, but lasting change requires tracking both data and emotion. Data keeps you objective, emotion keeps you honest. Reflect weekly. What went well? Where did I struggle? What triggered it? How can I adjust? Your reflections become your roadmap. Remember, tracking isn't about perfection, it's about awareness. Here's the shift that changes everything. You don't achieve goals to become the person. You become the person to achieve the goals. Every decision you make this year, from what you eat to how you speak to yourself, to whether you show up when it's hard, these are all casting a vote for who you'll become by next December. So stop chasing the new year, new me. Start building the real you, day by day. So to recap, define your identity. Who are you becoming? Build smart goals that align with that identity. Use a consistency equation, identity plus habits plus systems. Know your motivation. Extrinsic starts, intrinsic sustains. Track your data and reflect weekly. If you follow these 5 steps, you won't just set resolutions, you'll become them. And when setbacks happen, because they will, remember this: failure isn't falling off track. Failure is refusing to get back up. Progress is a decision you make every single day. Best time to start? It's not January 1st. It's right now. So who are you going to be? If this hit home, drop your resolutions in the comments, drop the identity you're claiming in the comments, and let's make it real, because saying it out loud is the first act of accountability. And if you want to go deeper into the consistency framework I mentioned, check out my next video, how to build consistency that lasts. Because this year, next year, it's not about becoming someone new. It's about becoming you on purpose. Happy New Year.